VIOFO A129 Plus Dual-car DVR Dashcam with rear-view camera. Car video recorder Quad HD night vision. Sony sensor. VIOFO A129 Plus Dashcam with GPS. 2K 60fps plus 1080p 30fps Dual Dashcam A129 Plus Duo Dashcam is the upgraded version of A129 Duo. Front and rear dash camera shots. Road ahead at 2560 1440p 60fps. And road behind at 1080p 30fps at the same time. Much more details can be easily captured, including license plate and signpost. 140 degrees wide angle is enough to cover the whole road and will not distort the image. HDR and Super Night Vision. Both front and rear cameras are loaded with super high-quality Sony sensors, providing a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night. HDR High Dynamic Range function can automatically balance the lighting at over bright and over dark areas and capture clear license plate even under strong car lights at night. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. You can connect the A129 Plus Duo dash camera to VIOFO app through built-in Wi-Fi. Easy to preview and download the video. Change settings of the camera with GPS logger. This car dash camera can log the current speed and GPS location. Also automatically correct the time by synchronizing with the satellite. Timestamp can be embedded in the video. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen in kmh or mph. Parking mode solutions. A129 Plus Duo dash cams for cars has 3 parking mode solutions. Auto event detection will automatically start recording once any event is detected. Time-lapse continuously records a video at low frames, like a half 3, 5, 10, 15 fps. Low bitrate keeps recording continuously in mini file size. Reduce a little video quality, will help to save card space, and can record longer time in parking mode. Optional HK3 hardwire kit is needed for parking modes. Ideal choice of dashcam G-sensor, motion detection, auto start-stop, loop recording, time-lapse recording, built-in microphone and speaker, mobile app. Support up to 256GB South Dakota card. Support optional CPL and Bluetooth remote control.